Hello student, myself Manoj Kumar, and today I am going to explain the assessment 13, which is very useful for your next examination, that is the annual examination. Now here is the assessment 13 and question bank 1. How many different angles can you count in this figure? Here is the diagram, and how many angles can you count in this figure? So see how can you count it? Yes, here we see angle 1, and here is the angle 2, here is the angle 3, and here is the angle 4, and here is also angle uh, 5, and all straight angle, this is the angle 6. So in this way, in this diagram, I find 6 angles. Okay, now which of the following contains the type of angles in correct ascending order in their measuring? When you see all these options, we see that acute, right, obtuse, straight, and the reflex angle form the ascending order, because acute angle is lesser than the 90 degree. 90 degree is 90 degree angles is called the right angle. Obtuse angle greater than the 90 degree. Straight angle greater than obtuse angle, and reflex angle greater than the straight angle. So our answer will be C. The ray forming angle ABC. The ray forming angle ABC. How can we identify that? Yeah, see that in this way. Suppose this is the angles here. Naming is here ABC. ABC. A is written here A, and here is the B, and here is C. Here we see in this diagram of the angles, naming them A, B, C. What are the rays are here? BA, not AB. BA and BC. Where we find this option? BA and BC. So our answer will be C, not AB. AB is not represent the BA. Okay. How many degree does the minute hand of the clock turn through in 1 hours? So 1 hours, how many degrees? So it makes the, suppose this is the watch, and I solve it in this way. Suppose here is the point is here. Yeah, suppose this is the point is here. When we turn around, it makes it in this way. Yeah, in this way. Yeah, this is, yeah, pura, this is the complete. So it makes a 360-degree angle. Okay, so it makes a 360-degree angle. This is your answer. The complement of angle of 65 degree. And how can we find the complement angle of the 65 degree? We know that the sum of any two angles is the 90 degree, then they are complement to each other. To find the complement of any angles, we will subtract from 90 degree. When we subtract 65 from the 95 degree, we get the 25 degree. So then our answer will be B. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 6. And the supplement of an angle of 85 degree. To find the supplement of an angle, we know that the sum of all angles is the two angles is the 180 degree. To find the supplement of the 85 degree, we will subtract 85 from the 180 degree. Or when we subtract 85 from the 185 degree, we get the 95 degree. Okay, and now answer will be C. By what angle does a soldier turn when he takes an about turn? About turn. This is the language here in the soldier, and so about turns means 180 degree. If two complementary angles are equal, what is the size of each? If the two angles are complementary are equal, what are the size of each? And now the complementary angles, the sum of the 180 degree. And now it is only possible when they are equal to each other. When we adding 45 and 45 degree, our answer will be B. And in the next question, if two supplementary angles are equal, what are the size of supplementary angle? The sum of two angles 180 degree are called the supplementary angles. When we add 90 plus the 90, we get the 180 degree. So our answer will be C. Through what angle must be aerial turn to the vertical? Aerial turn to the verticals, the answer will be 54 degree. This is the only the question of the information type, and this type of the word is used in the army. Which type of the angle has a measure that is smaller than a right angle? The angle which is smaller than the right angle, that is the 90 degree. 90 degree we call the acute angle. So our answer will be acute. Each of the angle is smaller than a straight angle except each of the smaller angle straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degree. What is the meaning of 180 degree? So acute angle, say that one lesser than the 180 degree. Obtuse angle lesser than the 180 degree also. A right angle is the 90 degree, which is also, but reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. So our answer will be C. Okay. And now see the next question. Question number 13. Which type of the best describe angle Q? So here we see this is the description of the angles in the obtuse angles, and you can also use the protector to measure the angle of Q and solve these questions. Okay, and if the measurement of the angles of the Q greater than the 108 greater than the 90 degree, then we can say that this is the obtuse angles. Okay, and angle 1 measure 125 degree, find the angle of angle 2. Here we see this is the straight angle, and now if the angle is the 125 degree, here is the 125 degree, suppose here is the 125 degree. So what will the measurement of angle 2, and how can we find? When we subtract 125 degree from the 180 degree, we get 55 degree. So our answer will be B. Okay, now see the question back 2, and how can we solve the question back 2? Fill in the blanks. This is the only the information type of the questions. Two rays with a common vertex end form an angles. Yes, two rays with a common vertex. You know that from the definition of the angles, you have already learned that what is the angles, and here is the two rays and which has the common vertex. This is the common vertex of form an angle. So this is the definition of the angles. So our answer will be common. While naming an angle, the middle letter is always its vertex. Yes, this is the naming. If you want to write the naming of this, and the middle letter, this here is the middle letters. Suppose when we write the angle of naming of this P, and here is the suppose Q, and here is the R. Here is the R. When we write angle PQR, so angle P angle PQR, or we can write in this way also angle RQT. So in the both the cases we see that angle RQP. So Q is the midpoint of middle. So this represents the vertex. So here the answer is the vertex. The unit of the measuring an angle is the degree. Degree angles, yes. The unit of the measuring of angle degree. Degree is the same unit of angles. A straight angle is equal to two right angles. Straight angle, the measurement of straight angle is the 180 degree. Measurement of straight angle is the 180 degree. And when we add two right angles, that is the 90 degree plus 90 degree, we get the 180 degree. And now the measure of dash angle is lesser than 90 degree. And the measurement of 90 degree angle is called the acute angle. So our answer will be acute. The angle of measure 270 degree is called the reflex angle. Yes, this is the reflex angle. But the definition of the reflex angle will be all angles greater than 180 degree and the less than 360 degree is called reflex angles. An angle of measure 360 degree is called a complete angle, and reflex angle is always greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay, and now see the next question of this assessment. State whether each of the following statement true or false. A straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Yes, this is the true. Obtuse angle is greater than the 180 degree. This is the false. So all the questions is based on the information type. A reflex angle is always greater than the straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degree. When we check the definition of the reflex angle, we see that the angles which is greater than 180 degree and the lesser than 360 degree is called the reflex angle. So our answer will be true. Reflex angle of 90 degree is 180 degree. No, this is false. The inner and outer scale of the protector read at the same measurement at 90 degree. You see the outer and the inner numbers, angle degree of the angles on the protector, but the 90 degree is the, when we draw the 90 degree angles, they will be same outer and the inner. So our answer will be true. The measure of the outer scale of the protector increase from left to right. Yes, increase to increase. When you see the protector, you will find that the measure of the outer scale of the protector increase from left to right. This is the left and this is the right in this way. So here is the true. Answer the following questions. Can two acute angles be put together to make a straight angle? Can two acute? No. This is the not possible because when we add the two angles which is lesser than the 90 degree, it means that acute angles we cannot find the equal to 180 degree. So our answer will be no. Suppose when we add 89 degree, 89 plus 89, it makes the 178 only. Okay, and it is not equal to 180 degree, which is a straight angle. So our answer will be wrong. Can three acute angle be put together to make a reflex angle? Yes, it can make a reflex angle. 89 plus 89 plus 89. Suppose when we add 89 plus 89. 89 plus 89, we will find that this is the sum of these two three is greater than um, 180 degree. So our answer will be yes. Can an obtuse angle and a reflex angle together make a complete angle? Yes, this makes the complete angles. Okay. Now see the next questions, and question number 4. So question number 4, list the following angles in increasing order of their size. When you see this, all the angles, here we find that D is the smallest angles, and after that C is the greater than D, and after that E, then after that A, and in the last here is the B. B is the greatest angle. So in this way, we can arrange these angles according to the measurement of these angles A, D, C, E, A, and B. Okay. Now, here is the question number 5. Look at the given figure and the complete the table given below it. Here is the figure, yeah, angle AOB. Here we find that angle AOB. This is the acute angle. Angle AOC, it makes the 90-degree angle, angle AOC. When you see this figure, you can easily find and what is the acute, what is the obtuse. Okay, in this way, DOE, AOE, AOD, and you can also AOB and BOC. Here we see AOB and BOC. You can also solve these questions. And here the above figure, it is the answer. And here is the 285, 200, 300 reflex angle. When we subtract 300, 100, yeah, 360 degree, 75, 375 degree from the 365, we had a 285 degree, and we can find the same way. And we can it is also the complete angles of angle 50 degree. We have also take this type of the questions when we subtract 90 degree from the 50 degree from the 90 degree, we get the 40 degree, and to make the supplement angles we will subtract this angle from the 180 degree. We can find this. Okay, and thank you for watching my video. In the next video I shall explain the assessment 14. Thank you.